In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from your Cash App account to KuCoin. First of all, you need to get KuCoin Bitcoin wallet address. To copy the Bitcoin wallet address, you need to click deposit in the top right corner, and right here you need to select the cryptocurrency, in this case Bitcoin. Just write BTC in the search and choose Bitcoin. Then you need to choose the Bitcoin network, and right here you will see the Bitcoin wallet address on the KuCoin account. So now we need to copy this wallet address and everything is ready to transfer your crypto from Cash App to KuCoin. So let's open our Cash App account, and in the bottom menu just click on Bitcoin or click on bank icon, scroll a little bit down and go to Bitcoin. After you will go to the Bitcoin on Cash App, you will see your Bitcoin balance. Under your balance you will see these buttons buy, sell and this arrow. You need to click on arrow and then choose transfer Bitcoin. Then you need to choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer from your Cash App account to KuCoin, and then you need to paste KuCoin Bitcoin wallet address. We just copy it, and right here in the for section you can write anything, it's optional. Then click on next in the top right corner, and finally we need to select the withdrawal speed. If you want to receive your crypto as soon as possible, you can choose the priority, but keep in mind that you need to pay extra commission. Then click the next button and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes you can check your balance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.